Legislators are to vote on a bill, HB 1515, Sales Tax on Services, proposing to set a $2.9 billion tax increase on all Maryland residents and businesses. Sales and use tax rate reduction in services. While HB 1515 proposes lowering the sales tax from 6% to 5%, it would simultaneously expand the sales tax to a wide variety of everyday services that have never been taxed before, including but not limited to accounting and financial services, advertising, printing and media streaming services, auto mechanic services, appraisal services, childcare services, dry cleaning and laundry services, funeral services, grocery and food delivery service, gym memberships and personal training services, hair and barbershop services, home repair, cleaning and improvement services, landscaping and tree removal service, legal services, mold remediations, nail salons, real estate services, shipping and delivery services, transportation, towing and parking, veterinary and pet grooming services, and yoga classes, to name a few. The bill will not only increase the cost of many core services used by consumers, businesses, and the government, it will place an added burden on small and micro businesses, negatively impact the housing market, and fuel inflation further. You are encouraged to contact members of your delegation to oppose this legislation. See links below for your legislators. Do it now because the legislative session ends on April 15th. If you have any questions or need further information, there's a link below. Thanks a lot. Take care.